Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of Messy Room Tech 1999 here. I'm not sure if I showed you guys in the last videos or so. I did get an air conditioner finally. It's a smart one. Comes with heat, dehumidifying, fan mode, cooling, you name it. Here's a gaming chair I got off of Amazon for the Prime Day deals. Not too sure if I showed you guys this either. It might have showed up in a few of my past EAS alerts, possibly. The ones recorded with my Nest Cam over there. Just wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek of what's going on with my setup. More than likely the title already revealed it to you guys, unless you're completely oblivious. But anyways, I am doing some extreme renovation. When I say extreme, I mean it's going to be a complete overhaul. You can see the holes where the TV was mounted last. The old brackets right down here too. I raised the TV about 4 to 5 inches. I'd say probably closer to 4 inches. Got a new mounting bracket on it. As you can probably see it. Oh, also these are the Govee Flow Pro bars. Also another Prime Day deal I got. Give you guys a quick look behind the TV. Oh yeah, it's amazing. You can see the Govee Flow Pro cameras up there too. The webcam is currently sitting right behind the Relocating time. Just a little preview for you guys. I'm going to be building my dream triple monitor setup, and it's going to be a floating triple monitor setup, so there's not going to be an arm right behind here. I'm going to have 3 different wall mounts connected to different studs. I have 16-inch studs, so either going to have one wall mount way over here or one way in the corner. I'll make it work either way. Cable management's somewhat there. I would much rather run cables through the wall, but what I'm more than likely going to end up doing is running channels down. Or just keep these guys because of the pattern wall right there. Almost impossible to get over that little lump with the cable raceway. Underneath the desk though, yikes, to say the least. I moved the Broadlink RM4 Pro right here. Took off the USB fan and the Samsung fast charger, as well as the PS3. Just a couple of those things. My old network switch, I decided I'm just going to run one network switch. And the one network switch is right up there now. Put a surge protector underneath here so I could have some more outlets. Freed up a lot of space down here. It looks way better. I'm going to wait to do my cable management until the setup's just about complete. I want to get the triple monitors mounted, and then I want to put studio monitors or speakers up on either side of the TV. It's going to look amazing, it's going to sound amazing, and it's going to be everything I've ever wanted. So this is part number 1 of the Dream Setup preview for Milton, Washington Tech 1999. And thank you guys again, always, for watching. See you guys with the next update. Hey guys, welcome to a little day 2 update. I'm going to combine this in the same video because what's the point of making separate videos for something so simple? Since last time I took the weather station down, moved it over there on my bed. Nothing new up here, but down here I moved the boom pole from the front to the back of the desk, featuring a knife. I'm not using that for any awful purposes, I promise. It's for very productive purposes. Flip the pop filter the other way. I think it looks a little bit tacky, but it definitely stays in place a lot better that way. Underneath the desk is a little bit different. Changed up the cable routing here a little bit. As you can see, it's significantly less cluttered here. I ended up extending this cable sleeve down. Instead of 2 units, it's now 3 units, and I routed most of the cables in through that. The larger adapters, of course, couldn't fit, so those get to stay out. But everything else is routed into that box. Nothing different up here so far. I just have a few temporary little zip ties over there. Also, if you guys are noticing, this camera drops to 30 frames per second when the lighting is insufficient. So it'll go probably back and forth between 60 frames and 30 frames. So this box is in the same position, but I moved this box to the left a little bit more. So the symmetry is off. I would move this guy farther this way, but the Xbox One power brick is sitting inside that one. So that's not possible. Something I got today in the mail. Excuse the mess again. Still going through this process. I have a few of these guys. These are little cable raceways. I'll give a link to these guys in the description. Or the card, whichever one's more simple. I also have this little 6-port and 4 USB power strip, trying to get the camera to go to 60 frames per second. I'm going to be mounting this behind the monitor that I'm going to be getting tomorrow, Saturday, because it is Friday night. The monitor arm and DisplayPort cable will be here tomorrow. I'm going to mount this guy behind the monitor and run it into one of the ports, most likely underneath this surge protector. I know it's not recommended to daisy chain these things, but this guy's just a power strip. This one's the surge protector. They shouldn't interfere unless they were both surge protectors. Here's what I got underneath the desk so far. I routed 4 of the raceways and 2 of the right angles. It turned out pretty well, not gonna lie. I have 2 of them running up to the HDMI switch. We go into right angle connectors, and then they go off towards the center of the desk. Right now I just have 3 HDMI cables routed in. I didn't realize that I would only have 6 of those in the case. Shoot, probably wind noise, sorry about that. So what I'm probably going to do with the last 2 is I'm most likely going to route 1 to the USB 3.0 hub towards the back, and maybe 1 along the back side of the desk here, or I'll route 1 for the cable box accessories, depending on where I get to tomorrow, because it is now 10:30 and I have to work tomorrow. So thank you guys for tuning in to the day 2 update. I'll do one more part to this video tomorrow before the monitor comes in, and then I will make a part 2 to this video. See you guys then. Hey everybody, welcome back to a little update video. It is the next day, 7:08 p.m. So far no changes since yesterday. Just gonna get ready to mount the monitor. Left monitor is gonna go right here, center one right here, right one off to here. So you may see the right arm, especially if you're looking off to the side, you will for sure, but from the front, every arm should be invisible. I got the items all right here. See, there's the AOC 4K monitor, and in the other bag I have the wall mount and a 10-foot DisplayPort cable. So thank you guys for watching part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. It's coming shortly after.